So as I said, I'm going to do one level of refactoring, and then I'm going to ask you to actually implement it for the sign up page, which should be easy for you to actually implement. So the refactoring that I want to do is to make it simple for you to do, because we're going to be doing essentially the same thing from line 14 to line 20. We can actually abstract this to a function. So let's just grab this. And then we are going to make a call to a function and say verify reCaptcha. So we have not created this function. So reCaptcha, and then pass it the reCaptcha array. And then now we can actually come to utilities.php and create this function. So we could say function verify. We've got to make sure that the name is the same. So I'm going to just paste this here and then come back to grab the actual name. Then this should accept an array which is called the post data. Then that should replace the value of HTTP build query. And right here, we want to just return the response. We're going to say return response. And that's all we need to do to make this reusable. So let's come back again to pass login. And right now we can then set response to be equal to whatever we get here. And that's it. Everything still works as intended. So let's do a test on the browser. So I'm going to log in. And here everything still works as intended. So your homework now is to implement it on the sign up page. Okay, so you can actually just follow the exact same steps that I followed to implement it in the login page, which is going to be fairly easy for you to actually implement. All right, give it a try and let me know if you encounter any issues.